Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and distance. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, say speed of the bus x kmph. Speed of the first man is 3 kmph. Friends, this man is moving in the same direction of the bus. So the relative velocity while passing the first man is x minus 3 kmph and the bus passes the first man in 10 seconds. Friends, the speed of the second man is 5 kmph and this man is also moving in the same direction of the bus. So the relative velocity while passing the second man is x minus 5 kmph and the bus passes the second man in 11 seconds. See friends, by this is velocity, this is time. By doing velocity into time, relative velocity into time, we get the distance. That means we get the length of the bus. In this case also, we get the length of the bus. So, length of the bus in both the cases, same bus. So, length of the bus in both the cases equal. So, velocity into time. Velocity into time is equal to, here the velocity into time. This is the length of the bus. This is also the length of the bus. 10x minus 30. 10x minus 30 is equal to 11x minus 55. It implies 10x, 11x minus 10x. X is equal to 25 kmph friends. X is equal to 25 kmph. This is the length, this is the speed of the bus. Friends, here I have not done 5 by 18 because here also we have to do 5 by 18. 5 by 18, 5 by 18 anyway gets cancelled. That is the reason why I have not done 5 by 18. So, the speed of the bus is 25 kmph friends. Thank you.